Hi everyone, welcome to Visual Blooms where functions aim for class 9th packages we'll discuss. So first Perl package, first question if f r is to r defined by f of x is equals to x cube minus 1 then f inverse minus 2 comma 0 comma 7. So this is solving problem we will discuss later. If f of x is equals to 1.2 1 comma 2 2 comma 3 3 comma 1 then f of x is we should find. This also we'll discuss. If f is equals to r is defined by f of x is equals to 3x minus 2 then f of x plus 2. And if fourth question, if fx equals to 1 comma 2 2 comma minus 2 3 comma minus 1 then the range of f square minus 1 is. Fifth question, if f is equals to whole root minus 2 comma 4 0 comma 6 2 comma 8 and g of x is equals to minus 2 comma minus 1 g 0 comma 3 2 comma 5 then 2f by 3g plus 3g by 2f 0 is. So till fifth question we'll discuss now. So this is first question, write the given data, then instead of place of y you can put the given value 3y plus 1, then here it will be this is the solution. Now this is the question, right? They asked, so now instead of x you put all the values, then you will get the minus 1 1 and 2, so that option is A. Next question we will see. Then if so here also it is given data till here, then here they will find, we should find, right, f of, so 1 and 2 is equals to 3, then f of 3 is equals to 1 they did, so that is nothing but 1 comma 3 2 comma 1 3 comma 2. And third question also we will discuss. Till here it is given data, then f of x is equals to plus 2, then here instead of if they put the value whatever value is given, then plus 2, then minus 2 and plus 2 will get cancelled, then 3 into 3 is 9 and 3 into 2 is 6 into 2, oh wait a minute, into sorry for the inconvenience, 2 that is minus 6 as you know. Then fourth question, till here it is given data, after that 1 comma 16 comma 2 comma 4 3 comma 1 as how they wrote is 4 into 4 16, no not like that, yeah like that only, then 2 into 2 4, so 1 into 1 as you know it's 1 only, and next also 1 comma 15 3 2 comma 3 3 comma 0, the range is 15 3 and 0, that is option A. Now fifth question we will discuss here, the value is 12, okay, 25 by 12, so till here it is given data only, then 2f by 3g plus this is the question as you know we should solve it, right? Then what they did, instead of g value we have 0, you can take like this. After that here 6 3, how 6 and 3 like that, if we take whatever the g values then it will get cancelled by 1 and 2, here 2 and 1, so after that the solution will be 4, 2 into 2 4, the 3 into 1 3, 3 into 1 3, 2 into 2 4, so like that if we add, if you do LCM then you will get 16 plus 9 divided by 12, so 16 plus 9 is nothing but 25 divided by 12, so that is option B. Now sixth question we will discuss. If a set is an infinite set, if A is the infinite set and B is the singleton set, then F is equals to A is to B, then it is option B, a constant function. And seventh one, the number of constant functions that can be defined of 1 comma 2 comma is to 100, and to a b c d is to z is, so it is 26. Now eighth question, we should inverse, right? Inverse of 4 minus x minus 7 is to whole cube. So this is the question. Then if you do it, okay, then here if we take as letter y, then 1 by 5 you did it, right? So then y is equals to power 5 will come here. After that, this y will go that side, means 4 minus y power 5 is equals to x minus 7. X minus 7, well, it will become. Then again, if you send this here and bring that here, and it will become in root 3 4 minus y 5 is equals to x minus 7. Then after that, you can then y, if you transpose the x that side and 7 this side, I think it's confusing a little bit. So now here x is there, 7 you send it that side means it will become plus 7 and x will be here only. Then f of minus y is equals to 3x whole cube 4 minus y power 5 plus 7 is the answer. So the options is A. Now next we will discuss emerald package. We will discuss 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is passage questions. We will discuss 5 questions today. So if f of 5 minus 5 by 2 is to power minus whole minus 1 defined by f of x is equals to 2x plus 3 by 5 minus 2x, then f inverse x is. Second question, if f is equals to a comma 1 a comma minus 2 a c comma 3 and g of x is a comma minus 2 b comma 0 c comma 1, then f square plus y square is. And passage questions 3 4 5 we will discuss. F plus g 0, f g 2, f minus g 4. And passage 2 questions also like that only we'll discuss. F of x is equals to x by 1 minus x square, g of x is equals to x by root 1 minus x square, f of g is x. And seventh question, if f of x is equals to 1 plus 2x and g of x is equals to 3 minus 2x, then the value of g of f 3 is. Then if f of x is equals to 1 minus x by 1 plus x and x is not equals to minus 1, the value of f o f x is. So till here, till 8 questions we'll discuss. Till the third passage we'll discuss. Now the given value you can see here till here they gave. Then this you can take this and this that side, then it will be 2x plus 3 is equals to 5y minus 2xy. Y came means here y is there, right? Just a minute, I'll erase it. Then 2x plus 2xy, how it came, if we transpose it this side it will become plus, and 3 that side means it will become minus. Then if we divide it, like x is equals to 5y minus 3 by 2 plus 2y, and because y we took as common, and f of like y is equals to 5y minus 2 plus, then the answer will be option A. Now second question, here what they did till here it is the question only. Now here 1 is there, here 4 is there. 1 plus 4, 5. So a comma 5. Here 4 is there, here 0 is there. It is nothing but 4 only, right? Then here 9 is there, here 1 is there. 9 plus 1 is nothing but 10. So C is equals to 10, option D. And third question, so they already gave 0, right? So we should substitute in 0. Then it will be 1 plus 3 minus is equals to 2. So this is the answer. Same like 4th and 5th also. Now we will see 6th question. So till here it is question, this we should find. So what here, so you can write x by divided by 1 plus x square divided by root 1 minus x by root 1 plus x square. Like this also you can write, or slash also you can write. Okay, then after that what will happen, x divided by x square 1 plus x square divided by, so this no need to write once again, or once enough. So here we removed bracket, here we kept first we removed the brackets here, and here we kept the brackets. I think you can see now clearly. Then after that x by 1 plus x square, so here x plus x minus x got cancelled. After that it will become minus here, so the answer will be option A. Now we will see, so now we will see 7th question. Okay, so 7th question till here it is given data. Then after that, so they gave already 3 very clearly. After that they mentioned 3, right? So in the question, what you should do now, f of 3 you put it inside as they gave in the question. See here they gave the question. Then what will happen? So now what is the f value? 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 whole is there, so into 3. So what is 1 plus 2? 3. Then 1 plus 2 x 3, right? Then it will be 7. Then 3 minus 2 into 7 is nothing but 3 minus 14. Then it will come minus 11. Now 8th question we'll discuss. So this is the question. So instead of x you put the value what they gave, and now 1 minus 1 minus 1, then divided by 1 minus, this one is not there, just assume it. After that, so if we take common, this and this will get cancelled. Sorry, wait a minute. And then it will be 2x by 2. So option A. Now 9th question we will, 9th and 10th and 11th. Okay, I should read the question right. Then here f of x, fog x, f o g x, f o f x, f o g 2. We should find. So so it is very simple. f3 minus 2x and 1 plus 2, 3 minus 2x, 1 plus, see like that same all we should do it. Now this is diamond package, you can see. I should read the question. Yes. So this 13th, 14th, 15th are our direct questions. Now first we will discuss diamond package, then we will discuss the 13th, 14th questions. So first let me discuss that. So here if you see f of x is equals to 5x. So till here, then f o f my inverse 3, and So here if we see, wait a minute, then x is equals to y plus 3 minus 5. So and f of x is equals to x plus 3 by 5. Here f y and here x they did. Then instead of x you can put 3. Then 3 plus 3 by 5, 6 by 5 it will become. So g, there you should put 6 by 5. 6 by 5 square plus 3, then 36 by 25 plus 3, then 36 plus 75 by 25, that is nothing but 1125, 25. Option B. Now second question also we will discuss. Second question is also same like sixth question, so you can see and understand. Now third question we will discuss. This is full this full one only. Okay, f square x f of x is equals to x plus 1 divided by x minus 1, then x plus 1 by x minus 1 plus 1, and down minus 1. So here minus minus, so it will get cancelled. Then 2x by 2. Then f of x is equals to f7x is equals to f99x is equals to f of 125 and 2. So here three questions are left, right, top, I said emerald package. So the graph of a constant function f of x. So these are multiple type questions. So option A and D. 14th one, if 14th one, all bijection on to 1 to all options. And statement type question, option A. Here anything we missed? Yeah. 12th question, it is A, B and C. So with this we completed our packages. So next we will see in the next video with trigonometry, the new chapter. So until then, bye bye. Do like, share and subscribe to Ish Problems.